Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here with day 12 from my 2023 October daily album. And so today I'm starting with a digital mixed media foundation page using the Traci Reed Designs Moonlit collection. I've also printed out some of the stars in that collection and the rainbow here, which was actually a miscut. I thought I was going to use it. I didn't end up including it in the layout, but that was what I was starting with. And of course, the 12 numbers. And so the story for this day was one of our traditions with the kids every year at Halloween is to give them glue sticks for when they're, not glue sticks, to give them glow sticks to wear around their necks and wrists and whatever. And this year, Alan found this really cute little ghost lighted necklace that he got for himself. And it's really cute. And it was so fun to see him participating in the silly little things and just not taking things too seriously. And we went for a walk this day, and he wore the necklace on our walk. And I said, our street is pretty well lit. And so when we came back home, I said, let's go in the backyard where it's all dark and see what it looks like, just our faces lit up with this cute little necklace. And these are the photos that came from that. And so I decided that I really wanted to keep this layout pretty simple. One, in the interest of time, in the interest of winding down the month and trying to get as far into the album as I can before I close it up on November 1 and put it back on the shelf. And so what I did was adhere the stars in a circle, put the photos, just 2 photos in the center of the circle, and then I went into my stash and found these cute little puffy title stickers from American Crafts from whenever ago. And I'm just using some of the words and putting those around the photo as well, and just layering them directly on top of the stars. The photos I've popped up with a foam tape so that they stand out a little bit from the background. And then, of course, the daily choosing of the numbers. And for some reason, this album, I've been gravitating towards these from Celine's studio. Now, that's an oopsie on my part. They should have been a number from Traci Reed. And what you could do is use one of the numbers from the Haunting collection from Traci Reed and layer that onto another label or something from Traci's collection. But I've used this one here for today. And then also these little black, kind of like vellum label stickers from Studio Calico, just to add the journaling here on the right hand side. This is such a simple formula for a banging layout. You can literally repeat this over and over and over again, and every layout would look different because the stories are different, the photos are different, your elements are different. And I also had a lot of fun using the Moonlit collection from Traci Reed for an October layout, because that collection is kind of themed around a really fun summer night. But you know, October nights are still sometimes pretty warm and it doesn't have to be warm to use this really electric, cool collection. the last thing I'm going to do on the page here is just add some fun enamel dots. And I don't know if you've noticed or not, but whenever I use enamel dots on a page, they usually serve some kind of purpose. They're drawing your attention to an element or a phrase or to the journaling. And these, again, especially with the background that I did, they feel again like fireworks. I'm not sure why I get that vibe, but I'm going with it. I'm happy with it. I love the extra little burst of color that these enamel dots give, and also the little bit of dimension there. So I'm going to go ahead and call this page done, glue it down, stick it in the album, and day 12 is done. I will be sharing 13, 14, and 15 with you, and then I will close this album for this year. And just to let you know what's coming in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again very soon. Bye-bye.